Right, what we're going to do here, we're going to flash debrand Sony Ericsson W810 using the Total Multi-Server. Once again, put your username and password in and press info. Always do that, as it'll check whether you're running the latest version of the client. We select as phone model, which is Sony Ericsson W810. Right, first thing we do, we go to the download area. Right, select our phone model, which is a Sony Ericsson W, it's a W810. As you can see, there's 3 different flash versions. These are the versions and the dates. Always go for the latest one, because in the latest version they'll have fixed certain bugs in the firmware. Right, I want English on this phone, so I'm going for the EU pack. Press the plus sign, you've got firmware and language. Right, you open the firmware, there's only one file in there, so I download that file. Then the language pack that goes with the firmware, I want the European one because I want English on my phone. As you can see, a lot of packs have English on, but I've already downloaded this EU one. But you can change the language by, on the European one you've got English, Espanol, French and Portuguese. So it's entirely up to you which language pack you use. Right. So I've got my 2 flash files which I need. I go to my flash menu. I select Sony Ericsson W810, that's the latest version I've downloaded, the EU pack, the firmware file, which is that one. Just loading that in, that's loaded that in, and then the default language pack, again, I'll go through the selection, and at this stage I get to the default language, which is Europe 1. Select that. That's the flash files loading in. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to program them files into W810, which will debrand and upgrade the firmware. As you can see, it's detected the phone. See, it's writing the flash files. This process takes around 15 to 20 minutes. When it's finished writing the 2 files, that's it. You've got one debranded W810 Sony Ericsson phone, and that's how to debrand and upgrade your firmware using Total Multi-Server.